Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart that won't go updated. Start by turning off power, remove seat-to-access batteries, and test battery voltage with a multimeter. Clean corroded terminals and tighten all connections, then test the solenoid by tapping while activating the key. Replace any blown fuses and inspect wiring for brakes. If the cart still stalls, check the controller and motor brushes next. In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart that won't go updated. Start by ensuring the charger is unplugged, then inspect batteries for swelling, cracks, or low fluid levels. Use a hydrometer or voltage tester to compare cells and replace any failing battery promptly. Balance charge new batteries before regular use, and always wear safety gloves and eye protection when handling battery acid or cleaning terminals. In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart that won't go updated. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes working in the garage more fun and keeps you hands-free for tools. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart that won't go updated. Begin by disconnecting the battery and visually inspecting the controller for burnt components or loose connectors. Reconnect batteries and monitor controller lights while someone gently operates the throttle. Note any error patterns. If the motor hums but does not turn, check brushes and armature for wear, then replace or have the motor professionally rebuilt as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.